What's going on, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. I'm gonna show you a website where this is basically the easiest survey site that you will ever do, because you'll never get disqualified and you'll make a good money with it, because every time you come on here you have an opportunity to make money. Now, first of all, I want to show you my balance. I have $19.55. I'm gonna cash that out in this video. You see here I have a survey waiting, and the thing about this survey site is, like, whenever there's a survey waiting for you, you're going to qualify for it. There are no disqualifications. Like, if there's a survey for it, you're going to be able to complete it and you will be paid. The minimum they will pay you is 10 cents. So, and the surveys, they don't take long at all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the survey real quick, and I'm going to show you just the time. I'll show you how long it takes me. So take a look at the clock right there. It is 7:13 a.m. Now let me take this survey real quick. I'm just going to show you just like how quick it is for me to do. So like I said, you'll never be disqualified. And here is how it's going to go. Now you basically just want to make sure your demographics, like, you're basically answering them correctly, because you want to keep your trait score at 10,000. All right, so you just basically just go through the questions. Usually when the survey is about 10 cents, it's going to be like 11 to 12 questions, so it doesn't take that long at all. Right there. I mean, just don't answer like anything, because sometimes, like, that first question, you're a male and your career is other. Like, I have that on my demographic, so that's why I use that. But as far as everything else, you just want to make sure that you're not, just answering questions like any different than what's on your demographics. All right. So again, I mean, this is just, stand up. I mean, this is I'm about to put stand up comedy. That's why I said that. But I don't even do stand up comedy. I don't know why I put that. I was just thinking about it. But just answering this question is very simple to do. Which one of these you own? None of these. And sometimes when you answer some of these questions, they'll throw you into a survey, but sometimes you won't. But like I said, you'll be disqualified. I mean, you will not ever be disqualified. You're gonna always qualify for the survey. All right. So just want to show you. Real quick. Bam, there it is. You see, that took me 2 minutes, less than that really. So 10 cents for this survey, easy. Now my money goes to 1965. So I'm going to actually cash that out real quick. And it don't take long at all to pay you. So that's another good thing about this site. So I'm gonna go here to your earnings and choose the reward that you can get. Now the thing is about this site, there's a $15 minimum that you have to get in order to cash out, but you can cash out with PayPal, Amazon, or Walmart. Always choose PayPal, and just click on this real quick. And you see that? Congratulations, your cash out will be 72 hours, so about 3 days, and it usually doesn't even take that long. Sometimes you get paid the same day or maybe the next day. So they just give themselves, time to pay you, just showing you, like, don't expect it, until 3 days. But I mean, that's it. Like, you saw how easy the survey was. I mean, it wasn't a lot, but like I said, there are so many survey sites where you go on surveys and you take them. You're probably like 4 or 5 minutes into it, and it's qualified for you, and you don't get any money for it. But you'll never have that problem with this site. You see here my lifetime earnings. I made $123.76 with it. This year alone, I've made $78 with it. So I haven't, really been using it, that long compared to some other people. But it's easy money. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, you're gonna qualify for every survey that you do. Some surveys pay more. Like, I've taken surveys that have been on here like $1 or $2, 60 cents, 50 cents. It's just the 10 cents. Those are the ones that are the minimum. But they're easy to survey. You see, it took me less than 2 minutes to get that 10 cents. So I mean, just rack up on it. All right. So I just want to show you guys how legit this company is. I made a lot of money with it. I highly recommend you guys sign up for it. The link to it is in the description. Sign up today, and always remember, every penny counts.